Okay, so now let's see this question. Here they are saying that what is the chromatic number of the following graph. So what is the chromatic number? Chromatic number is the minimum number of colors using which we can color all the vertices of a graph such that no two adjacent vertices have the same color. So how we'll start that? We'll start that by having a vertex which is having the highest degree. Why? Because in that case the most conflict can be reduced from that point only, right? Because this is having most number of neighbors, so the conflict of colors will start from here. So you can try other ways also, but this works fine. That's why we are going to use that, right? So if my point is that if let's say you are going to color this vertex with a color, let's say color 1, then what color you are going to use for this and this. So you can say that okay, I can use another color 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, that will work. But my point is that in chromatic number we are trying to reduce the number of colors, right? So the point is something like that. Okay, I can use 2 here, okay, and I can I use 2 here? No. Why? Because it is adjacent to this, so I cannot have 2. So can I have 1? No, because it's adjacent to 1, so I have to use a third color, so we'll use 3. Okay, now after that the point is that can I use here 4? I can obviously use, but in order to solve the problem we are trying to minimize the number of colors, so we'll not go for 4. We'll try to figure out whether 1, 2 or 3 can be reused. 1 cannot be reused, right? 3 also cannot be reused, right? Because 3, but you know what, 2 can be reused, right? Because it is not directly connected to any other vertex which is having color 2, right? So in that sense you are seeing this setting. Okay, now what about D? Do I need to use the fourth color? So see, 1 cannot be used, 2 also cannot be used, because see here it is there, but 3 can be used, right? Because it is not directly connected to this vertex which is already using 3, right? Let's come back here. Here do I need to use 4? Okay, so 3 cannot be used, 2 cannot be used, 2 cannot be used, but guess what, 1 can be again reused, right? So it is not having any vertex with any other edge with any other vertex which is using the color 1, so 1 can be reused. So you can see that all the vertices with only 3 colors, we can have all the vertices colored such that no two adjacent vertices are using the same color. So what is the chromatic number? The chromatic number of this graph is 3, and that is the answer.